Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today's news is India overtook Brazil to become the second worst coronavirus hit country with total cases reaching 42,04,613 after a record jump of 90,802 cases in the last 24 hours. Brazil has reported 41,37,521 cases till date. India's coronavirus death toll in the surge has to 71,642. Meanwhile, the number of active cases is 8,82,542 and total recoveries stand at 32,50,429. China shows its COVID-19 vaccine for first time. China has put its homegrown coronavirus vaccine candidates on display for the first time after they were seen at a trade fair in Beijing. The vials of vaccine candidates produced by China's companies Sinovac Biotech and Sinopharm were on display. According to Sinovac spokesperson, the company is hoping the vaccine will be silenced for use by the year end. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy on Monday pledged to donate his eyes and launched a dedicated portal to help eye donors register for the same. The website will help create a registry for prospective donors, a government release said. Earlier on Sunday, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan donated his mother's eyes at AIIMS after her demise. The number of seasonal monsoon birds in Odisha's national park who come for annual nesting has risen this year, officials said. As many as 97,866 monsoon birds of 10 species were counted at the park as opposed to 88,614 last year. Bikash Ranjan Das, Divisional Forest Officer, Rajnagar Mangrove Forest Division said. The Indian Institute of Technology, Gorakhpur, has been closed for a week from September 6 to 13 to contain the rapid spread of COVID-19 on the campus. The administration has also directed its employees who live on the premises not to venture out except during emergencies. Classes for all students except those in first-year undergraduate courses will continue online. The national education policy will focus more on learning instead of studying, PM Narendra Modi said, addressing the Governors' Conference on the National Education Policy on Monday. The more teachers and the more parents are connected to national educational policy, the more students will be connected, the more its relevance and comprehensiveness increases. He added. President Ramnath Kovind was also present at the virtual conference. India becomes fourth country to develop and successfully test hypersonic technology. India on Monday became the fourth country after the United States, Russia and China to develop and successfully test hypersonic technology. The test was conducted at APJ Abdul Kalam Testing Range in Balasore, Odisha. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh congratulated the DRDO after the test and praised their efforts to indigenously build the scramjet engine. Tata Steel MD and CEO TV Narendran said that the steel maker is back at 100% capacity after the COVID-19 lockdown forced a 50% cutback in April. We are seeing revival in demand in the July-September quarter led by good monsoon and the rural economy, he said. Tata Steel is now less dependent on exports since the April-June quarter, he said. Kerala has emerged as the most literate state in India with the literacy rate of 96.2%. As per the National Statistical Office, Kerala is followed by Delhi 88.7%, Uttarakhand 87.6%, Himachal Pradesh 86.6% and Assam 85.9%. States with the worst literacy rate include Andhra Pradesh 66.4%, Rajasthan 69.7% and Bihar 70.9%. The overall literacy rate in India is 77.7%. American Express lab at IIT Madras to research on human behavior. American Express, a US-based financial services company, has set up a data analytics, risk and technology lab at IIT Madras. The American Express Data Analytics, Risk and Technology Laboratory will focus on the risks that originate from human behavior and decisions. It aims to establish itself as a world-class hub of research in risk analytics and behavioral sciences. Benny Prasad, fastest man to have travelled around the world in 6.5 years. Apple is made up of 25% of air. That is why they float in water. Apollo astronauts returning from space had to stay in quarantine for 3 weeks. Popping bubble wrap makes you feel calmer and more awake, a study found. Thank you for watching. I hope which is very useful to you. Also like, share and comment, and I'm signing off here. Bye. Bye.